Hello APCSA students. So in this video I'm going to walk through fixing these errors. So I strongly recommend that you try to do this on your own, and maybe you can even pause the video at times if you feel like you can keep going on your own at certain points. But this is just in case you can't find all the errors. So there's a Fix the Errors program here. If you click on it, it looks like this. It should look like this. So what you want to do is you want to open your JGrasp window so it looks like this. Go to File, New, Java, and then go over and copy and paste this code. So I'm going to Control C. I'm going to go back and Control V. I'm going to go ahead and save it. And I want to save it in this folder that I'm already in. So remember that when you save a program, it has to match the class name exactly. So this one is called Printing. So I need this file name to be Printing with a capital P and everything, just like it looks there. So I will click Save. It will save it as a .java. I can see it there. It's identified as a Java file. That's how I know I'm good to go. All right, so once you get it down, the process is compile and run, compile and run, compile, fix an error, and then try again. So this error message is class interface enum. It's a little weird. It's pointing at this word, and either you remember that it's public, or at this point you may go back and look at like maybe Hello World program. That one doesn't have public. So what about receipt? So we did this receipt one where we had the subtotal, so there I could see the public. So use any past programs to help you correct errors. I'm going to go ahead and hit compile and just do the first error each time. So this says it expects a semicolon, and it's telling me right where. So I'm going to put a semicolon there. It even tells me line 5, and you can see that that's on line 5. This button right here toggles your line numbers on and off. It's helpful. Compile. End of file while parsing, and it's highlighting this line. This error always, 100% means your curly braces are mismatched. So these match up, but this one doesn't have a closing. So remember, I need to open and close all my containers. Compile. Print line, it cannot find this symbol, and so maybe I can't think of anything, so maybe I go back over to this program and I'm like, oh, system out print line. So I'm going to go over here and paste that here, and I might even pretend that I don't see it, but it's telling me this one it can't see either. It turns out this is a 1 and this is a capital I. And I do this to show you that this is a lowercase l, and that's what you want. But if I were to put system.out.print, they almost look like the right letter. So sometimes it's very hard to see, but Java will know. It's picking up on that 1. It doesn't like it, so I'm going to fix that 1 to a lowercase l. I'm going to fix this capital I to a lowercase l. Compile. All compiled, hit run. I see output. So compile your programs frequently. Now if I were to add a line of code and I had a compiler error, I would know the error would be on my new line of code. So compile and fix your errors frequently. All right, happy coding.